adding back the reflections. So this is looking pretty good, but as you recall on the bowl, there were some reflections where the light was hitting it and being bounced right back to the camera. And so that kind of helps it appear as a 3D object, to have those kind of reflections visible. So we'd like to use a technique to get those back. So what we'll do is we'll duplicate the bowl layer, and then I'm just going to delete this mask. And then I want to make sure I'm just deleting instead of applying the mask. Okay, and this looks terrible. All the work we've done has suddenly been totally obscured. Hey, but at least we have those reflections. Let's start to do something about that. So the way we're going to do this is first to make this less confusing, we'll call this layer Bowl Reflections. And then you can go to the layer and layer style and blending options to get to this, or you can do it the Marty way. Double click in this blank area and you get the layer style options, which is what we want. Now there's a lot of options here. We're just looking in this area, blend if. And you'll notice that there are some sliders here. So let's, current layer is where we're going to concentrate. So let's just move this over until the pixels start to become transparent. And we notice it's about 173. Yeah. Okay, so that's where most of the pixels are visible, but they just start to become transparent, which is, it's glass, it should be transparent. So this is the first step, and we'll get to the next step to make this look a little bit more normal.